page number 7 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book, class 3. On page number 7, there is a picture of design. We are going to complete with the 3 colors: red, light blue and green color. With the help of these 3 colors, we are going to complete this. Before starting that, there is some lines pattern is there. It is an spiral line. In middle, we have to make a shape of leaf with the help of curved lines, and downside also spiral line with different angle. Okay, if you not possible to do directly, you can use pencil first and then after you can do with the color. You can use sketch pen, wax crayons and oil pencil also. But if you want to draw the same, you can use a sketch pen there to complete this one. Now one by one, draw the same pattern and complete this outside circle with the help of red color. If you are not able to do, you can turn your page and try to do it. It is a very simple and easy task to draw this pattern. If you want to leave the space in between little bit, you can leave it, unless you can draw jointly. Now after this, I am going to use green color to make the pattern inside. With different angle, you can try to do like this. Now I am going to forward this. You can copy that lines same way. Like this. Now inside part, we are going to draw with light blue color. It's very simple. You have to make the curved lines and try to make a shape of leaf like this way. Complete all parts. Afterwards, we are going to learn next page. There is also one pattern is there. We are going to complete it with the oil pastel afterwards. One by one, we are going to solve all the pages. Now our drawing is almost finished. Now, if you want to do the border on that black color, you can do it. Unless, as you can see, there is already border is given. There is no need to do once again. But if you want to do, you can do it like this way. Complete all the lines and all the circles with the black color.